Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar. Tayc, I believe, SANS, Effet or so, something like that pronounced, not sure, but this is a great song, and I love this kind of songs that have one melody to it, and you can use the chords, and it goes kind of in that way through the entire song. It's a great way of making music, in my opinion, so it will play and have a lot with you with just small different licks and chords and so that's really in my taste. So that is an example of this with this Tayc song. We will look at 4 different chords, you can say, or 3. I will explain soon, but we need to set our capo here on the 8th fret. So it's high up because we need these high notes. So that's the reason, logic. So with the capo on the 8th fret, we have these chords. First, the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be based on the B minor. We'll not have the B minor as it is because we don't need that. So we will use a grip that looks, yeah, something like this. So it will be second on A string, open D, open G, third B, and second E. And the final chord, you can use the A minor. I will prefer to play the A minor 7 here. So I'm really pretty sure it's A minor 7 there. So it will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And yeah, if you use the A minor as it is, no problem there, but the real chord, A minor 7. Alright, so there we have the chord, and that is the chord progression through the entire song. So A minor, to E minor, and the B minor, and A minor 7. Alright, so we're gonna look at the chords and notes for each and every chord here. So we'll start with the first chord, the A minor. That's the part. So it will be open A, second D, open E, and here you want to add a clap if you can, and then comes third B and first B, and that's it for the first A minor chord. So open A, second D, open E, clap, third B, first B. So slowly it will be like this. Alright, that's the A minor part. Now let's go into the E minor. It's only like this. Okay, so it's open E in the bass and open B and a clap. And that's it. So open E, open B, clap. So together, so far, slowly, it sounds like this. Alright, then we have the B minor part. Sounds like this. Alright, so that is second on A, then second on E, and comes a clap, and then comes the open E, and third B. And that's it. So it sounds like this, slowly. And then we have the final chord, the A minor or A minor 7. Sounds like this. So pretty easy. It's open A, and then first B, and clap. And there we have one round. This will go round and round through the entire song. So slowly, it will be like this. All right, and with some tempo. And so on. Yeah. So I just want to give you that this is chords we're playing with, and for you to kind of give more music to it, more sound, flesher with meter sound to it, use the full chords if you wish. You know where the melody goes now, so when you do all these pickings, you can use and incorporate more strings around that melody you want to pick out and highlight. So when you do that, it will be kind of, yeah, better sound in my opinion. I'm going to give you one example of how it could sound when you bring up more strings from the chords you're playing. So it will sound something like this. And so on. I went a little bit ahead here and played a little bit around with some extra notes and like this here and there, but it's all from the chord, and that is how you can work with this one. So good luck with this one, guys. Tayc, SANS, Effet or so. Good luck and play tuned.